Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reinstall the Realtek audio driver on Windows 11. First, move your mouse to the Start button. Right-click on it to open a small menu. From this list, click on Device Manager. This will open a new window where you can see all the hardware connected to your computer. Now look for the option called Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Click on the small arrow next to it to expand the list. Here you will see your audio driver, usually named Realtek High Definition Audio or something similar. Right-click on that driver. A menu will appear. Click on Uninstall Device. A confirmation box will open. In this box, you may see an option that says attempt to remove the driver for this device or delete the driver software for this device. Make sure to check that box. After that, click on Uninstall to remove the driver from your system. Once the uninstall process is complete, restart your computer. This step is important. When your system starts again, Windows 11 will automatically detect your audio hardware and reinstall the correct driver. After the restart, your sound should be working again. If not, you can repeat the process or check for updates in Device Manager. That is how you reinstall the Realtek audio driver on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.